A family friend has asked your help in analyzing the operations of three anonymous companies operating in the same service sector. Supply the missing data in the table below. We've got three divisions, the Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie division. Let's begin by looking at the Alpha division. We can calculate our net operating income by setting our 18% ROI equal to our net operating income divided by our $3 million in average operating assets. In solving for net operating income, we get $540,000. Our minimum required return in terms of dollars is simply equal to our average operating assets of $3 million multiplied by our 16% minimum required return, and we get $480,000. Our residual income then is the difference between our $540,000 net operating income and our $480,000 minimum dollar required return. Our residual income is $60,000. For the Bravo division, we can again use our ROI of 14% and set that equal to our net operating income of $280,000 divided by our average operating assets. Solving for our average operating assets, we get $2 million. Our percentage minimum required return is found by setting our dollar amount average return, minimum return of $320,000, equal to our percentage times our average operating assets of $2 million. Solving for our percentage minimum required return, we get 16%. Our residual income then for the Bravo company is the difference between our $280,000 net operating income and our $320,000 minimum dollar return. We have a negative residual income of $40,000. For the Charlie company, we'll begin by calculating our dollar minimum required return. That's going to be equal to our $1.8 million in average operating assets multiplied by our 15% required rate of return. Our minimum dollar required return is $270,000. We can then solve for our net operating income. Our net operating income minus our $270,000 required minimum dollar return will equal our residual income of $90,000. Solving for net operating income, we get $360,000. Finally, we can solve for our return on investment. ROI is our $360,000 net operating income divided by our $1.8 million in average operating assets. We find Charlie Company has an ROI of 20%.